नमस्ते, वेल्कम् टु चित्रकूट संस्कृत लर्निङ्ग् सीरीस्। गतकक्षायां चतुर्थी विभक्तेः प्रयोगं ज्ञातवन्तः। इदानीं पञ्चमी विभक्तेः उपयोगं कथं करणीयम् इति जानीमः। Let us learn पञ्चमी विभक्ति in today's session. पञ्चमी ablative case. अपादाने पंचमी. Apadanam means taking away, removal, ablation or separation. Where there is separation or ablation between two things or objects or places, the thing or object or place from where the other gets separated will be in Panchami Vibhakti. During ablation, we can see one constant and other one moving. So, constant will get Panchami Vibhakti. For example, Vrikshat phalam patati. Vrikshat phalam patati. Fruit falls from a tree. A fruit falls from a tree. Here, vriksha is constant and phala is moving. So, vriksha will get Panchami Vibhakti. Gramat agataha. Gramat. Grama is constant. So, grama shabda is getting Panchami Vibhakti. Akashat patitam toyam. Kim patitam? Toyam patitam. Akasha is constant. So, Akasha would get Panchami Vibhakti. Jugupsa means dislike or aversion. Virama means end, termination, conclusion or pause. Pramada means negligence or oversight, carelessness or overpride. With usage of these words, related words would get Panchami Vibhakti. For example, Papat jigupsyate. Kasmat jigupsyate. Papat. He dislikes sin. Bhashanat viramati. Kasmat viramati. Bhashanat. He stops speaking. He concludes his speech. Dharmat ma pramadah. Kasmat ma pramadah. Dharmat. Don't neglect or get deviated from righteousness. भीत्यर्थक त्राणार्थक प्रयोगेषु पंचमी. भीत्यर्थक त्राणार्थक प्रयोगेषु पंचमी. भीतिः means fear, dread or terror. Trata means preserved, saved or protected. Trana means preservation, defense or protection. With the usage of words, those express bhiti or trana, the one from whom we get afraid or from what we get protected, will be in Panchami Vibhakti. Example, Chorat bibheti. Whom we are getting afraid here? From thief. Chorat is in Panchami Vibhakti. Shishuhu andhakarat bibheti. Baby is getting afraid of andhakara. Andhakara means darkness. So, andhakara shabda is having Panchami Vibhakti. Devaha asman kashtat trayate. Kasmat trayate? Kashtat. So, kashta is in Panchami Vibhakti, kashtat. Korona rogat sarve bhitaha. कस्मात् भीताः सर्वे कोरोनारोगात् भीताः अतः रोगात् इज इन पंचमी विभक्ति जनिकर्तुः प्रकृतिः जायमानस्य हेतुरपादानं स्यात् जायमानस्य हेतुः अपादानं स्यात् हेतुः means cause, reason or motive. We can say by reason of, on account of. So here cause and effect will be there. When dhatu verb root is used to say about birth or creation of something, the reason, cause, motive of its birth is getting Panchami Vibhakti. For example, कल्मषात् मशकाः जायन्ते. कस्मात् मशकाः जायन्ते? मशकाः means mosquitoes. कल्मषात् जायन्ते. So कल्मष शब्द is in पंचमे विभक्ति. हिमालयात् गंगा प्रभवति. कस्मात् गंगा प्रभवति? हिमालयात्. हिमालय शब्द is in पंचमी विभक्ति. Anya, itara means else or different. Arat means near or in the vicinity of. Rate means except. With usage of above words, related words would get Panchami Vibhakti. Mitrat anyah kah upakaroti. Except our friend, who else will help us? Hanumatah anyah अथवा इतरः कः समुद्रम उल्लंघति? Except Hanuman, who else can fly over the samudra or ocean? Hanumatah, Mitrat, here these words are in Panchami Vibhakti. Next example. ग्रामात् आरात् वनम अस्ति. So there is a forest near our village. ग्रामात् आरात्. So grama shabda is in पंचमे विभक्ति. श्रमात् ऋते कार्य सिद्धिः नास्ति. Except shrama, we have to work hard. Without that, we can't succeed. Shramat rate karya siddhi nasti. Shramat is in Panchami Vibhakti. With the usage of words purva, prak to indicate as before, related words would get Panchami Vibhakti. For example, Vaishakhat purvaha chaitraha. So before Vaishakha, we would get Chaitra Masa. Bhojanat purvam hasta prakshalanam karaniyam. Bhojanat purvam. Before having food, we have to wash our hands. So Bhojana Shabda is in Panchame Vibhakti. Maranat prak marichaha ha Rama iti uktavan. Maranat is in Panchame Vibhakti. The words, those indicate direction. For example, Purva, Paschima, Uttara, Dakshina, etc. would get Panchame Vibhakti. Thus we can say Purvataha, Paschimataha, Uttarataha, Dakshinataha, Purataha, Prishtataha, Vamataha, etc. Prabhriti, Arabhya means ever since or beginning with or henceforward. Bahihi means outside. Urdhvam, Param, Anantaram means after or later. With usage of above words, related words would get Panchame Vibhakti. For example, Balat Prabhrati Aham Tam Janami. Ever since my childhood I have known him. शालायाः बहिः क्रीडाङ्गणम् अस्ति. There is a playground outside the school. भोजनात् परम् अथवा ऊर्ध्वम् अनन्तरं शतपथं करोतु. Walk for a while after having dinner. Here the words balat, shalayah, bhojanat are in Panchami Vibhakti. Duram, far, antikam, near. With usage of these indeclinables, related words would get Panchami or Shashti Vibhakti. Upavanat duram, mama griham asti. Here Upavanat is in Panchami Vibhakti. We can also say Upavanasya duram iti. Vanat antikam ashramaha asti. Vanat is in Panchami. We can also say Vanasya antikam iti. While doing comparison, the person or thing with which we compare will be in Panchami Vibhakti. For example, Ambraphalat kadaliphalam madhuram. Kasmat kadaliphalam madhuram? Ambraphalat. So, Ambraphala is in Panchami Vibhakti. रमेशात् सुरेशः उन्नतः. Unnatah is tall. Sureshah taller to Ramesh. So Ramesha word is in Panchami Vibhakti. Karyanat Vimanayanam Vegena Chalati. Karyanat is in Panchami Vibhakti. आख्यातोपयोगे पंचमी. आख्यातोपयोगे पंचमी. In persuasion of education, Guruvachaka, teacher, Guruvachaka would be in Panchami Vibhakti. For example, Upadhyayat adhitam, Gurubhyah shrutam, Devadattah Upadhyayat adhite, etc. This is all about Panchami Vibhakti. Let us learn Shashti Vibhakti in coming session. Punarmilamaha. See you again.